Okay, let's start. Jump ball. First possession, nasa King 16. Still knocking the car to Garces. Garces crossover to Ferro. Ferro fakes to Cuyate. Garcia basket. Unang tala ng 2 points manggagaling kay Garcia. Ayhon. Madali. Madali. Drop pass to Crucio. To Falconet. To Girl. Linovada. Nasa 16 rin. Basket 2 points. The car to Ferro. Ferro back to the car to Garces. Garces. Crossover. Garces. Back to Ferro. Sa gilid kay Garcia. Garcia another. Short. Rebound battle na kay Ferro. Ferro to Garces. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Garcia stop and pump. Take that shot. Unang puntos ni Garces for the first quarter. 2 points. Low. Falconet. Number 15, Crucio. Drop pass to Madali. Madali. Ubukunan sa guy. Ang bola. Nasa kanya pa rin. Pass to 2 points. Over to defenders. Garces. To Cuyate. To Ferro. Ferro. 3-point win. Uhulad yan para kay number 23. Ferro. Falconet. Falconet to Crucio. Crucio to Falconet. Jumper. Garces. Ang bala na kay Papa Bear. Pass to Garces. Garces. Round-on-one situation. Stop and down. Basket pa rin. From number 25. Garces. Falconet. To Ayhon. Ito naman. Drive. And there is also. That will be number 8. 87. Guma. First personal foul. 15 foul. First try basket. Second try. Next game, ang bola na kay Ayhon pa rin. Ayhon. Tumatapino, 10 seconds on the shot clock. Falconet. Tumadali. Right open. 3-pointers. Sabay. Ang bola na kay Garces. Garces, down the lane. Garces lands the angle that there is a traveling violation from our official turnover. Pasok motor. Ayhon. Ayhon dribbling the basketball. Ayhon to number 15. Crucio. For 3. Over. Rebound battle. Babalik kay Falconet. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Ayhon fake. Another fake. Ayhon. 5 seconds. 3 seconds. Good ball. Ang bola na kay Ferro. Ferro to Garces. Garces to the car down the lane. The car. Basket is good. May kasama bang foul? Foul. Jersey number 21. Madali. First personal foul. First team foul. What a free throw for the car. Bonus free throw, Sablay. Falconet. To number 15, Crucio. Sablay. Dito, Daki Cruz pa rin. To Matutino. To Madali. Back to Matutino. Jumper. Sablay. Daki papamana ang possession. Papamana to Garces. Garces. Masususitan. Ang bola, buhay pa kay Garces. Garces. Another traveling violation. Too much stop. At Dutch fake. 11 and 5, talaan ang ating puntos. 6 kalabangan, Pinsan Pascual. Ayun, Bryce, ayun, jumper, short. Nakaitama ang possession. Garces. Garces to Pero. Pero, tamaling. Pero, matedepensahan, pero may foul. Foul with the act of shooting jersey number 51 or 15. Crucial first personal foul, second team foul. Second trip basket. Falconet. Against Garces. Falconet. To Crucio. Back to Falconet. Drive. Drop pass. Sa gitna. Nakakay Matutino. Matutino. To Crucio. Sablay. Ang bola lang ay Matutino. And there is a basket and one. He will trip the line for one more. Foul just number 87, Papamar. Second personal foul, second team foul. Another possession for Team Chickskin. Falconet, 10 seconds. Sumadali, down the lane, drop pass to Crucio. Huli ka kay Pero. Andito na si Garces, down the lane, Garces! Left behind the basket, 2 points. Falconet to Ayhon sa naman. Palitan ang puntos. 2 points. The call. Okay po. Pero face, Pero drive, Pero spins, Pero nice footwork, merong foul. Susurat, timeout, San Pascual, timeout po, timeout. Ako. Madali second personal foul, 13 foul.
Ayaw kasi makawak na isa dito.
Back to the team. Sequence, there is a foul and act of shooting. Okay, Pero. First try basket. Substitution. Papasok na si CP3 Buonto. Magpapahinga si Pero. Ayhon will take a screen. Ayhon down the lane. Supply. Opanya for the rebound. Opanya to Pineda. Pineda to Buena. Buena back to Pineda. Pineda loses the ball. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Double team on Buena. Matatapikan. Turnover. Substitution. Sampo, Bulan in and number 8, Paukunit. Magpapahinga muna. Bulan. Tumadali. Foul, person number 8, Pineda. First personal foul, third team foul. Bulan. To Ayhon, fakes. Crucio. So good. Bonta for the rebound. Pass to Buena. Buena to Bonto. Bonto sa gilid. Nakay o Paya. First 3-pointer sa Blay. Bulan. Dribbling pass to Bulan. Susubukan. Black shirt ball, substitution. Pamada in. Pineda. Pineda setting up her play. Pass to Buena. Buena fakes. Buena, kick out to Bonto. 10 seconds on the shot clock. 5 seconds. Pineda to Buena. Buena takes the shot. Basket off the glass. 2 points. Bulan. Bulan to Ayhon. Ayhon to Matali. Over Opalia. Spears. Nice defense from Opalia. Masusubukan. And the ball. Will go through. Again, Boys Toys. Bulan out of play. Nakita si Matali. Sablay. Ang bola. Mapubutan na. The black shirt, San Pascual. Bonto. Bonto to Pineda. Pineda drives, kick out to Bonto. Bonto to Buena. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Buena, nakita si Pineda. Take the shot. Basket, 2 points. Grabing palobo ng tira. Pineda. Bulan. Dito. Supernansyan. Same ball possession. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Pamada. Perimeter jumper no good. Ayhon for the rebound. Ayhon. Foul. Foul position number 8, Pineda. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. At San Pascual.
Okay lang, graduate ka na. May 2 points ka na eh.
For Ayhon. Bonto. Bonto to Pineda. Pineda. Masusundutan. Bulan to Ayhon. Ayhon. Tatalay. Face. Tuburan siya. Siya ang natawag ng play. So good. May foul na matatawag. Manggagaling kay jersey number 8. Pineda. Ang agang tatlong foul. Manggagaling kay Pineda. Penalty situation na rin po. Let's try basket. Second drive. Supply. Upaya for the rebound. Upaya to Bonto. Bonto. Stop and foul. Take it to Pointer. No good. Aba na kay Alhon. To Bulan. Bulan. Lays it out. No good. Same ball possession. Rastas magagaling. Si number 0 Buena. 20 at 12. Ang tumalo kalakangan. Vincent Pascual. Ayhon, Pronancial, face, Pronancial, to Bulan, jumper, basket, 2 points! Another turnover for Team San Pascual. Twenty 14, babas sa aning Kalamangan. San Pascual. Pronancial, drive, Pronancial. Also, Buenaventura supply. Buenaventura for the rebound. Pass to Pineda. To Bueno. Bueno, back to Pineda. Pineda. Ibabalik kay Bueno. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Masusundutan. Fast break. No. Mapupunta na kay Bonto. Bonto to Pineda. Pineda back to Bonto. Bonto, andyan ang post. Kay Opalian, there is a foul. Magagaling kay jersey number 9, Pronancial. First personal foul, warning for penalty. Warning, jersey number 26, resetment to a call. Foul, another foul from jersey number 5, Ayhon. Penalty situation. Second try supply. Bulan for the rebound. Bulan. 4-2 reservation. To my darling. What a pass. From number 26, Bulan. Mabasa apat hinahabol ng Chicken Boysters. Bonto. Floater. No good. Pamada for the rebound. Ibibigay na kay Ayhon. 3-on-1 situation. To Pronancial. Supply! Pineda, to Buenaventura. Ito, 3-on-2, stop. Back to Opaya, to Buena. 13 seconds remaining on the game clock. Stepping on the lane. 10 seconds remaining. Ayhon. Ayhon to Pamada, face. Back to Pronancial. 4 seconds, Pronancial, jumper, short. Meron pang 2 seconds for the first quarter. End of the first quarter. 2016. Baba sa 4 kalamangan ng black shirt sa Pascual.
Sayang, all na sana tayo.
Sige, yan. Ako muna. Hard. Green. Pare. Noy. Nakatingin eh. Sorry. Akin yun.
Bilang natin ang comment nyo dyan. Si Dexter. Happy viewing sa'yo. Nakapula ka pa rin kayo. Sayang. Sayang.